the voice of one crying in the wilderness, prepare the way of the Lord, make straight in the desert a highway for our God. And every valley shall be exalted, and every mountain hill shall be made low. The crooked places shall be made straight, and the rough places smooth. All flesh is grass, and all its loveliness is like the flowers of the field. The grass it withers, and the flowers fade. The word of our God stands forever. The word of God stands forever. The glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and all flesh shall see it together. For the mouth of the Lord has spoken, thus says the Lord. O Zion, you bring good tidings, get up into the high mountain. O Jerusalem, you bring good tidings, lift up your voice with strength, lift it up, be not afraid. Say to the cities of Judah, behold, your God